What if I told you that I just made a flying system in a video game without really coding it myself? Flying is awesome. It has always been one of the humanity's biggest dreams, seeing birds fly in the air and wanting to fly like them. We tried jumping off towers thinking confidence was physics. We strapped wings to our arms. We trusted fabric and hope. We basically tested gravity in every way possible, multiple times. Then eventually, we built airplanes. But even now, we still can't fly on our own. Well, for me personally, I don't have the answer for how to fly in real life, yet. But in video games, we can. So today, I'm building a flying system using AI and testing how far the new Claude Opus 4.7 can actually take us. Let's see if AI can make us fly or completely break the game instead. First, I will open Wonderland Engine. I will download the third-person template that I created before from GitHub. You will find the link in the description, along with this flying character project for free. Now we have an already moving character here, so we don't have to reinvent the wheel. As the idea of this test is that we want the AI to modify it and make our character fly as a new feature, without breaking the code. I will create a new JavaScript component named flyCharacter. Then I will open my code editor that has AI built into it. I have chosen Cursor, but you can use almost any code editor since most of them now have AI integrated into them. I will load my project folder into the code editor, so the AI is aware of the full project and how we code in it. Then I will select the new Claude Opus 4.7. Perfect! Now I will tell the AI to create a character flying system where when I press the F key, it deactivates the default movement component and activates this new flying component instead. In this flying component, it will make the character fly with the WASD keys, according to the camera's direction. Now let's see what it does. Awesome! I can even hit the physical boxes because we have a physics component attached to our character already. And yes, it looks super weird, I know. But the mess you see here is exactly the foundation for the flying system. We just need to tweak it. A lot, kind of. The first thing we can do is to beautify this, to make it feel more like actual flying. For that, I will open Blender and create some basic flying animations. I will create a fly forward animation, and I will create a fly idle animation that loops up and down to feel like it's floating. It looks super cool.
Nice.
I will import that into Wonderland Engine and then tell our smart AI here to use these two animations in our flying components. Let's see what happens. I press F key and awesome, I'm floating. I move up and awesome, I'm flying. It looks complete already. However, we have a small issue. I can literally move in any direction and the character still plays the fly forward animation, which looks super weird as you can see. Like we have our own version of moonwalk here, moonfly. So, I will tell GPT to make our character rotate toward the direction we're flying. Nice! Much better. However, we have this tiny bug, where when it flies toward the center, the character then rotates super weirdly all around the place. Also, when we stop flying in a certain rotation and goes back to fly idle, it keeps the previous rotation as is, while it should then reset the rotation instead. As you know, come on, no one fly like this. Have you ever seen a superhero fly like this? It would be super weird, you know? So let's fix the first bug and try to describe to GPT what happens when we try to fly towards the center and see how it will fix it. And awesome! It fixed it! And it even fixed the second rotation bug by itself. I think both bugs were connected to each other somehow. And yeah, we now have our flying character in a very short time, without touching the codes. To be honest, that was really simple, easy, and actually pretty scary. I feel the threat as a game developer here right now. I think that will kinda be the future of game development and any development industry, to be honest, which I don't know how to feel about it. I have mixed feelings here. Should I be excited that development will become much easier in the future, in the near future to be exact, or scared that it might remove the human touch that makes things special? Of course, as I always say, we will always need the developer as the maestro and the director behind all of this, aware of what's happening and always ready to step in to fix things. But come on, that was kinda pure vibe coding here. Like imagine we have our game on Steam and then all the players suddenly wants a flying system. We can just tell the AI and it will implement this new feature. We do an update with a patch, done. All our players can fly now in our video game. That's super weird, super amazing, and super scary at the same time. Well, that was a really fun small experiment and I would love to know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos about game development like this and see you in the next video.